G'day, Team Dale here. Want to know the secret to leveling up your meals? It's often in the side. Today I'm showing you how to make the most delicious, fluffy coconut rice using super simple absorption method. Forget gluggy rice, this tutorial guarantees perfection. It's quick and it's easy. You don't need much. We start with your choice of long grain rice. Jasmine is classic, basmati works beautifully too. Crucially, we'll need full fat canned coconut milk for that richness, some water, a pinch of salt, and optionally a tiny bit of sugar to enhance the coconut flavour. And for extra fragrance, a knotted pandan leaf, kaffir lime leaf, or bruised stalk of lemongrass are amazing additions. Into our saucepan goes the coconut milk, water, salt, and that optional pinch of sugar. If you're using an aromatic, chuck it in now and give it a good stir. We'll bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Just bubbles around the edge is perfect. Stir it again just to make sure everything's dissolved. Now, dip in your well-drained rice. Give it one good stir, just to make sure there are no clumps and the rice is submerged. As soon as it comes back to a gentle simmer, turn the heat right down to the lowest possible setting, clamp on a tight-fitting lid, and that is important. Now set your timer. About 12 minutes for basmati, 15 for jasmine. The golden rule: do not lift that lid. Let the steam do its work. Heat off and move the pan off the hot plate. Now another crucial step: let it rest, still covered, for 10 minutes. This allows the grains to finish absorbing the moisture and firm up. Seriously, don't skip this step. Okay, the big reveal, lid off. Oh, look at that, perfect. Now, don't stir vigorously. Gently fluff the rice using a fork or chopsticks, lifting from the bottom to separate the grains. I love this little wooden tool, it used to be a spatula. And there you have it, fluffy, fragrant, perfect coconut rice. An amazing home cooking side dish that tastes truly restaurant quality. Find all the details in the description. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.